To quickly recap what we have done so far, we've looked at how we've installed the module. We've also looked at how we can import a module into our program. We've then also looked at how we can print something out on the screen using the print command within the program. We've also looked at how we can use variables within our Python program. We've also looked at how we can assign a value, a return value to that variable. We've also looked at how important and critical it is to have the proper indentation so that the program works fine and well. And now we want to also look at how we use commenting. To use commenting in your code, you need to use the hash character. This allows you to write sections of the code which is more user readable versus program readable. The program will not execute anything after the hash command because that's more for the user to read and understand exactly why the code was done in that way. So remember to use the hash character to add comments.